back at the river. I'm quite excited to get back up here again. Long time to fish the river. I begin to get lazy fishing with all these rainbow trout. However, I was desperate to get to the tunnel again, and here I'm on my way. Not a bad morning. At least there's no a big wind. Fairly warm. It's a lovely run around the back road. It's a lot of here. It's a place to park up, and here we are. Oh dear, the river's a lot higher than I expected. It's up quite a good bit. Either that, the water's changed an awful lot since I was last year. But it's pretty difficult. I'm even the other side of the water there, but I'm not touching fish at all. Not a thing moving. Oh, just keep going. I met a friend of mine, a fellow called Neil Sinclair. He'd found the remote control for my GoPro, and Neil took me along up near the wall there to show me that the beavers have been cutting. Very interesting. Well, it was nice to get beside the river again. Enjoyed the day, but I wanted a full day, just for a few hours. Then I found I lost my GoPro remote control. Then a friend of mine, Norman Sinclair, came walking down the bank with it for me. Couldn't believe it, thought I'd lost it for good. And he showed me the evidence of the beaver. It was good. Then the rain stopped playing. At the height of the water, I just came home again. But it was good to be away.